Welcome for another mathematics lesson. The topic is probability. The subtopic is theoretical probability. My name is Caroline McCarthy. By the end of the lesson, the learner or viewer should be able to define theoretical probability, solve problems involving theoretical probability, differentiate between theoretical and experimental probability. In the previous lesson, we looked at experimental probability, which under it we were able to define probability, sample space, and outcome. In today's lesson, we shall use some of the examples that you used in the previous lesson. Example 1, suppose you are provided with 30 balls in a basket as shown, 5 red balls, 13 yellow balls, and the rest is green, and a ball is picked at random from the basket. What is the probability of picking a green ball in the basket? Experimentally, we saw that you have to physically pick the balls. And we noticed that the higher the chances of picking the ball, the higher the probability of picking that green ball, which will be 7 out of 12. And suppose you don't want to do the experiment, can you be able to obtain the probability of picking a green ball? The answer is yes. We'll reason out that the sample space is 30 and the possible outcome of picking a green ball is 12. So the probability of picking a green ball will be 12 out of 30. Another example that we are to use is rolling a die. What is the probability of rolling a 6 in a die? Experimentally, we noticed that you have to roll the die for you to obtain that 6. And we noticed that the probability of obtaining a 6 is 1 out of 6. Suppose you don't have a die, is it possible to obtain the probability? The answer is yes. You look at the sample space, which is 6. You look at the chances of obtaining the 6, which is 1. And the probability is 1 out of 6. And that is what we refer to as theoretical probability. Probability that is obtained out of reasoning. Attempt this question. Suppose you are provided with bottle tops, 10 red, 2 green, 3 purple, and the rest is brown. What is the probability that when a bottle top picked at random is brown? In conclusion, theoretical probability is the probability obtained through reasoning. The more the number of experiments done, the nearer the experimental probability is to theoretical probability. And to calculate theoretical probability, identify the sample space and the favorable outcomes, then express the favorable outcomes in terms of the sample space. We deduce that probability is equals to the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes in the sample space. For more information regarding probability, you can read these references, and for more information, you can contact me via the Gmail shown. Thank you.